How can my videos make money on YouTube? Once after uploading your video, we need to monetize the video. If you see here, I uploaded 9 videos to this platform. Of course, over a period of 2 years, their 9 videos earned $528, means around 60 rupees if you take 32 to 35,000 rupees. How they earned? I uploaded 9 videos to this channel, same MBA channel. It took me around 2 days time to create all these 9 videos, and after uploading, you need to monetize the channel. For example, what are the core competencies? If you click on edit, it comes here, basic info, monetization. We need to monetize the videos. That is how ads get displayed in our videos. These are the ad formats: display ads, overlay ads. You can see side display ads, overlay ads, and sponsored cards, and skippable video ads. Generally, you might have skipped some video ads. Even those things can come when your videos are watched by someone. That is how out of YouTube pays 68% to the content creator, means YouTube channel maker. 32% is taken by YouTube. That is what is the percentage. But it is very consistent and very recurring income. So I hope you understood how videos are making money. These are the different types of ad formats available. We'll explain in detail all these things, how to upload the videos, how to monetize in the coming sections. Thank you so much.